Best ceramic coating sprays protect car paint, enhance shine, repel dirt and water, and reduce scratches for long-lasting finish. My today's video is about top 5 best ceramic coating sprays for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Shine Armor Car Wax Spray. The Fortify Quick Coat Ceramic Coating Spray is a game-changer for car enthusiasts seeking effortless shine and long-lasting protection. Made in the USA, this premium formula delivers a mirror-like gloss while forming a slick, water-repellent layer that repels dirt, dust, and road grime. Its rapid 15-minute bonding ensures your paint is sealed with high gloss and durable protection in record time. Acting as an all-in-one waterless wash, it safely lifts light dirt while leaving a polished, streak-free finish without buckets or hoses. Using it is as simple as spray and wipe, much like traditional spray wax, but with far superior results. The hybrid polymer layer bonds to paint for months, shedding water and grime while maintaining a brilliant showroom-quality appearance. Its nano-ceramic technology provides true bonded protection, resisting UV damage, stains, and scratches. With washing, sealing, and shining combined in one step, Fortify Quick Coat dramatically reduces detailing time, delivering a glossy, protected, and easy-to-maintain finish. Now our second product is Tortark Real Ceramic Coating. The Extreme Shine 15% SO2 Ceramic Coating Spray delivers professional-grade protection and a mirror-like finish that transforms any car into a showroom masterpiece. Formulated with high-concentration CO2, it chemically bonds to paint, creating a hard, glass-like shield that repels water, dirt, acid rain, UV rays, bugs, and bird droppings, lasting 6 months or more. Its TSCA-certified, non-toxic formula ensures odor-free application, making it safe and user-friendly. The upgraded twist nozzle allows fine mist coverage for full surfaces or a precise jet stream for targeted areas, while the quick spray and wipe method provides instant high-gloss results with minimal effort. The super hydrophobic coating keeps vehicles cleaner longer and reduces labor during washes, making it ideal for winter car care. Thin application maximizes CO2 bonding, yielding crystal-clear, streak-free results without residue. Beyond cars, this universal ceramic shield protects household surfaces like glass, tiles, and countertops. By focusing on true ceramic science rather than marketing claims, this coating ensures long-lasting shine, durability, and easy maintenance for months. Our third product is Dronar 20H Advanced Graphene Ceramic Coating. The graphene ceramic coating for cars is a powerful solution designed to provide exceptional paint protection and long-lasting shine. This advanced coating forms a durable ceramic layer over your vehicle's paint, shielding it from water, dirt, oxidation, corrosion, and harmful UV rays. Enhanced with graphene technology, commonly used in aerospace materials, it offers superior resistance against dust, oil, and environmental contaminants that can damage your car's finish. With an impressive 20H hardness rating, this coating creates a tough protective barrier designed to last for years, even in harsh weather conditions. Unlike ordinary waxes or sealants, it won't wash away after rain or regular car washes. The coating also delivers excellent hydrophobic performance, causing water, mud, and grime to slide off easily while reducing the risk of swirl marks and scratches during cleaning. Another highlight is its ultra-high gloss effect, which significantly boosts paint brightness and depth for a stunning showroom appearance. The kit also includes essential accessories like crystal plating cloths, towels, gloves, and a sponge, making application convenient and professional. Now number 4, Avalon King Armor Shield 9. The Avalon King Armor Shield 9 DIY Ceramic Coating Kit is an excellent solution for car owners who want professional-level protection without visiting a detailing shop. Designed as an easy DIY kit, it includes essential tools such as a buffing towel, applicator cloths, and a sponge, along with clear instructions that make application simple at home. Within a few hours, the coating becomes touch-dry, making the process quick and convenient. One of its standout features is the powerful hydrophobic performance. After the initial 24 to 48-hour curing period, the coating creates strong water beading that repels rain, dirt, and moisture effectively. Its high silica formula with 82% active content ensures outstanding durability, protecting your car from UV rays, acid rain, bug splatter, and bird droppings. With a 9H hardness rating, this ceramic coating forms a tough protective shield that resists oxidation, fading, road salts, and extreme temperatures. Under normal conditions, it can last 2 to 3 years, or up to 5 years with proper maintenance, keeping your vehicle glossy and protected. And our last choice is Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating Kit. The Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Coating Spray delivers professional-level paint protection in a simple, user-friendly formula. Inspired by advanced detailing technology, this premium ceramic coating provides ultra-durable protection while enhancing gloss, depth, and slickness on your vehicle's paint. Despite its pro-grade performance, the application process is refreshingly easy. Just spray, spread with a microfiber towel, and wipe off with a clean one. The included premium microfiber towels make the process even more convenient for DIY users. One of the standout features is its exceptional water-beading performance. The hydrophobic ceramic layer repels water effectively, allowing rain and moisture to slide off the surface while making drying and routine maintenance much easier. It also helps conceal light paint imperfections, improving the overall appearance with a deeper, glossier finish. Beyond painted surfaces, this versatile coating can also be used on plastic trim, decals, paint protection film, PPF, and wheels. Backed by over a century of innovation from Meguiar's, this coating combines trusted quality with modern ceramic protection technology. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.